dudes, I was looking for a problem of car cutting out and sometimes rough idling, and I just noticed that this motherfucker was like folded up. So I think that is the problem. Look at that. Look at that. So put it back on correctly and we see what happens. That is fucked up. Really fucked up. Okay, dudes. Well, now it's idling higher because it's cold. But I've tightened it up. So I took it off and put it up tighter. I'm pretty sure that was the whole fucking problem. It was loose. There was a hole in there. Loose like a goose. So now it's nice and tight. And I'm sure it's gonna be alright. Let's just see if that fixes it. And I'll take it for a drive, and hopefully it shall not be stalling on either on me. But you know, so far so damn good. It's running much nicer already, so I think that was it. But before it was literally just randomly cutting out, and I've even changed the fuel pump, and the fuel pump turned out to be good because it was still doing that. But I had the fuel pump, I didn't buy it, so you know, that was my first check. Checked all the vac lines. Yeah, make sure you don't have any splits in the vacuum pipes or anything like this. And yeah, if you don't, then it's gonna be that, hopefully it was just a slipped off air intake pipe. So let's go for a drive and see. You see this face? This is a happy face, because I've spent fucking ages, probably about 3 months, figuring out why this car was stalling when idling. Basically, when it gets to like 6,500 revs like it should, it would be okay, and then it would just go and die. Or you would, you know, be turning or something, and yeah, it would just cut out, so your fucking steering would lock and you would end up smashing into someone and into someone's house. Not me, obviously, but you lot would. I know what your English I like at driving. And now look, it's running perfect. It's never actually ran this well before. So like I showed you, mates, I went through everything. So I said I had a another fuel pump which is, you know, in there obviously. Well, for those of you who don't know, it's basically under there. So I've changed that for a brand spanking new one. That didn't help. Then fuck, it's just done it again. Oh no. I really still think the problem is in this fucking pipe. That was fucking weird. I really think, because it's doing it a lot less now. It was literally fucking cutting it out all the fucking time. It's fucking loose as well. This is loose like a poos. Maybe this rubber is shit. I've changed it, as you can see, but Maybe because it got folded. You know, now it's letting some air in. But basically I need someone to press the accelerator. Oh shit, can you hear that? Yeah, there it is. So look at that. If you let some air in. Oh, hold on. Or maybe it's the math not working. It should change how it sounds, I think. But nothing's happening. That is fucking weird shit as well. Oh. Okay dude, so I was just about to celebrate, and as you saw, it cut out again, so I'm just gonna leave it running for a bit. Maybe I can see what the fuck is going on, if it does it again. So if it does it, it's probably a vacuum leak somewhere around here. Maybe it's your idle control valve, which is just under there. There it is. But I'll wash that. Maybe I'll have to take it out and examine it again. See if it does clicky clicky. So yeah, I will report back. But definitely it's doing it less, because this rub over there was like folded inside, creating a hole. Gap. So I'll let you know. You know, so far it's ticking over nicely.